Okay, I think you'll totally agree that this product deserved that intro. What is up, guys and girls? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. You're watching me, EMKWAN, and unboxed in front of you is the brand new iPhone 8 Plus product Red. Now, for those of you that have no idea what is going on, very quickly, every year now, Apple have collaborated, and this has been taking place for the last 11 years or so. They've collaborated with Product Red, which is essentially a global fund that supports HIV and AIDS programs across the globe, and they provide counseling, testing, medicines that essentially prevents the transmission of HIV. And last year we saw the introduction of a Product Red iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. This year we're getting an iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, and there are some differences from previous years. But first of all, as far as the product itself is concerned, the iPhone 8 Plus, there's really nothing different internally. So it's the same product that you would find any other iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. And if you want to find out more about that, then there is a video at the end, so do go and check that out. But as far as this particular device is concerned, really the differences are external. So what do we see? Well, we see this beautiful, beautiful red color. And what is different this year as opposed to last year? There are two things. Number one, last year's iPhone 7 and 7 Plus models were made out of aluminium. This time we have a glass back panel on the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So the color vibrancy, I think what that glass panel does is really make that red color pop. Now, it's really difficult to capture on camera exactly what type of red it is. It's kind of like a candy red, or since I'm based here in Abu Dhabi, a Ferrari red. So it has that really bright red kind of vibrancy to it. And the difference this year is, unlike last year, where there were some criticisms at the fact that Apple had used a white front, this time we have a black front. And I've got to admit, I think Apple completely nailed it. In fact, I'm a little upset that we haven't seen this color combination with the iPhone 10, because that would be absolutely amazing. You have a black front panel now, and you have a red back panel. So if Apple releases an iPhone 10 in this color combo, you can count me straight in. If you're looking for something which really pops, you're looking for a color combo that you're brave enough to rock, then I think you can't really go wrong with this at all, particularly because part of the proceeds of your purchase will go to help that global fund. Now, in terms of pricing, it's no different from a standard iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. So you're not paying any extra for this product Red collaboration. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Are you a big fan of this Red? Do you think you'd be brave enough to rock this as your daily driver smartphone? Leave a comment down below. And if you're new here to the channel, find that red button underneath this video, go and smash subscribe and join us here on EMKWAN Reviews. Until next time, guys, I'm EMKWAN. Oh, by the way, if you want to see more pictures of this beauty, check my account out on Instagram and go and follow me there. Right, guys, that's it from me for now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace and blessings.